The second overall pick in the 2019 NHL Draft, Kappo Kakko. Oh baby, what a season for him. A real roller coaster rookie season. He really didn't explode offensively, and that's fine. A lot of fans, including myself, were a little unhappy with the way David Quinn was using him, especially after the first month of the season. Listen, I would have liked to have seen him get consistent looks on the power play and on the top two lines, but in my opinion, I kind of see where Quinny is coming from. You gotta give the kid time to adjust to the league, and he's only 19 years old. He will turn 20 just a month after the season starts. Fun fact, he actually led all the 2019 draftees in points and goals, tied with Kirby Dach for points. He's gonna have a lot of pressure taken off of him this upcoming season because of Lafreniere. However, that doesn't mean he won't have some sort of pressure on him. Let me explain. He said he wanted to go first overall. He wants to continue to prove that he is better than Hughes. He worked like crazy this offseason to get into tip-top shape, and he's still growing as a player. He looked really solid in the 3 playing games against the Hurricanes. He also put on a little more muscle for this past offseason. He wants to improve as a player, and he wants the Rangers to win. As of right now, it's looking like he's going to be on the second line with Ryan Strome and Artemi Panarin, and that is such a huge jump from who he was playing with last season. I'm guessing he needs to definitely have a good camp to prove that he is second line capable. But this is all why an entry level contract is 3 years, and he's only 19, guys. Come on. You gotta give him some time and just let him get some games in. I know we all want the Rangers to be competitive this season and try to win the cup, and that's their goal going into camp. But JD puts it perfectly when he says, "Come watch us grow." I love that quote from him. Come watch us grow. And that's what Kakko needs to do. He's gonna have more learning pains this upcoming season, and that's okay. I thought he did a really good job adjusting to the league and the pace. He obviously needs to work on his two-way game a little bit more, but that just comes with being a rookie. I'm excited to see Kappo Kakko this season. I think he knows this is an important year for him to not only just be a little bit better than he was last year, but to see a little more growth from last season. I mean, hey, 23 points in 66 games is nothing to shy at. I think he's going to be fine, especially if he plays with Panarin and Strome. I appreciate all you guys watching. Please leave a like if you did enjoy the video. I will leave a link to a playlist of all the player previews into the description below. Also a card in the top right if you want to watch all the player previews. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you later.